First of all, let's welcome the people that joined us. I'm Christian from Vision 6D, and I'm pleased to present you the YouTube Studio, which is for creators, how they can handle and deal with their videos. So I took my channel, the Vision 6D channel, so you see here that we can look at videos. Afterwards we'll go into analytics and see how we can treat the comments. So the presentation is vertical with several columns that we have here. One aspect that is interesting, you see here I have the major video on my website that really works. It's Learn Basics of MS Projects in 15 minutes. So what is interesting and is new, it's the way, a fast way here in which you can edit that the title and the content of the description of your video. Otherwise, here you can see that this video is public, but when I'm preparing a video, I can put it as private. Like that, I can share it with some of the people I would like them to review the video, and then I can decide to switch to public. After that, you see monetization of the videos. All my videos here are monetized, and you see when they were uploaded. So those videos were really uploaded 3 years ago. And you see here what is interesting is the number of views. I have here the video that works the best with about 445,000 viewers actually. And among this you can see that I had a certain numbers of comments. What is also now something that is really interesting, it's an indicator that shows us likes versus dislikes. So you see here that on that video here I'm reaching 98.3%, which is quite a good number with 1940 likes, but still 33 dislikes. So sometimes there are people that don't like the way you present things, or they don't like the exercise, or didn't solve what they wanted, or you were too slow, or they don't like your voice. So you never know. But here below there is another one where you see that it's more controversial. It's 41% like and 40% dislike. So this might mean that yes, there is something there that people don't really like, although you have about 96,000 people that already saw it. So this is a good indicator that really shows whether you can improve something or what to improve. So this is about the videos. Here up in the search, something that I found interesting, it's for example, I can here key in a keyword and I didn't even have to hit return, and it already brought me all the videos that entail the Linux keyword either in their title or in the description. So with this I can show you here one of the video, for example. If I click on it, what will happen? And we see that the tool is directly taking me for this specific video into the analytics part of it, which will allow me to show you what we do with analytics. So one of the first things that I'm looking at for a video is the real time. Real time means in the last 48 hours, how was that video viewed? And for this, you see here that I can say that this video has been viewed 28 times in the last 48 hours. Here you see that I have my estimated revenue. So for this video, it's over the last 4 weeks, the last 28 days. And it's 64 cents, which is not a lot, but that's what you are paid on YouTube. So here up, if you would like, you could change and say, oh, okay, I would like to see for the last 3 months or 90 days, the last year, meaning from today to 365 days ago, or a lifetime of your video. So what, excuse me, I'm just going back. What I'm doing here is an overview. There will be additional sessions in the next episodes where I enter more into details. You see here one important element is the watch time, because views, they don't really mean how long do people watch it. If you have a lot of people coming and getting bored just after 10 seconds, but you have 100 views, or you are in a situation where you have 10 views, but everyone watched till the end about 5 minutes, this will be shown through the watch time. So, audience retention is also something that I like. For me, what I see, it's that usually in the first 10-12 seconds, I have a drop of 20 to 30% of the viewers. So it means that people come, see it quickly, and understand that it's maybe not what they want, or they clicked the wrong place, or they don't like my tone, or something like that, so they switch to something else. So then after you see that people are going to watch it, you have even sometimes increase in the time that they spend at this part, so this is interesting. And after you have the decrease, and you seldom have people going to the end. So here below we see the top searches of my videos. For example, the first one, how did they find through search keywords? It's somebody keyed in, unable to insert the virtual optical disc. So this might be an error that this person had while doing something on the computer related to VirtualBox, and the error message was that one. So they copy it, paste it, and search on this. So it's really interesting to be able here to see keywords. And here down, you see that percentage of likes versus dislike. In this case, I just had 100% of likes. And you see, you can compare it to the channel average, which is 94.9, which is almost 95%. So this video compared to the channel average is doing really well. So with that, I've shown you this part of the analytics with the Studio version 2017. We'll go now into discovery. So discovery allows us to understand how people landed on our videos. So here you see that there are traffic sources type. For example, here for this specific video, it's external, or it can be YouTube search. So external plus YouTube search here, they almost do 90%. So I think that the rest is not really interested. But we'll see in other cases it will be different. So we'll see when we look at those things. And here you have what we call videos which are suggesting your own video. On the right side, when you go on YouTube, you see other videos that are recommended for you or suggested. So you follow one video in the center, and then on the right side you see additional videos. And from time to time, when I consult other channels, I click on those suggested videos. And of course, sometimes it's really interesting, sometimes it's funny, sometimes not at all related to what I do. And after sometimes it's I'm 1 hour away and I'm thinking, what am I looking for here? I just had some distractions. So these are the suggested videos. You see here that external sources in my case here were about 60%. So what are more specifically those external sources? And you see here that a lot of people found this video through Google search, meaning it's almost about 94% of what is external is through Google search. So meaning this, talking about searches, we can here see that people can also do searches directly on YouTube, and we all do that. Why am I saying they can? We all do that searching. So here we see the search terms, but I already spoke about this. So this is the situation here with the discovery. Later on, in following episodes, I will enter into more details about this, but for the moment I stay with that level of information. Here, into the audience, this is interesting also. First of all, you have here the gender. By discovering the gender, for me, most of the gender is male. I have a 5.7% gender which are female on this video, but I won't analyze this any further. I will go back to something more general and enter analytics in a more general form. So I will go back and I will take analytics in its general form. So you see here that we find again information about the real time here, and you see that since it's general about my channel, so we have 3.8 K, meaning 3,800 users or people watching my videos, or views, better said views, in the last 48 hours. So which is almost 4,000 views in the last 48 hours. Here I see the number of subscribers. I have actually 5,000 subscribers, and I'm really happy, and I thank you people to be those subscribers that follow. I'm really enthusiastic about to see that it's taking up, and the rate is about 200 new subscribers a month, which is really interesting and terrific for me. So we see here real time with these diagrams, the last published videos. We can see here how they work in the last 48 hours. And you see here my estimated revenue for all the channel. So in the last 28 days, it's about $100 and a bit more. So it's not a lot, but this is something. So we have here the watch time, we have here below the top videos that are the mostly watched, and lastly here down we have an average view of the videos. So for me it's about 5 minutes and 40 seconds that are viewed on each of my videos. So this is what I wanted to show you in the analytics part. The last part that I want to review are the comments. So let's go into the comments. And here we have the comments. As you see, they are brought in a certain linear or horizontal way. And I'm going to take, for example, that one that says excellent overview. It's Bales Dave, which I thank for his nice comment, and it was 3 days ago. And I will reply by saying thanks again for watching. You see? And now I can say reply. So the reply has been sent, and if I want to like, I can like it, dislike also, and you see here that there are 2 comments. So I could go and I see my 2 comments that are here. I can also say I really love this comment by clicking on it. So let's do it, why not? It's a nice compliment. So excellent overview. Yeah, I love that kind of compliments. So as you see here below, I also have comments on the French versions of those videos, which are in French. And of course, that's why I have to have several sessions, some in French and some in English. So For these are the comments, and here I will just come back, and you see that you can also moderate your comments, and this is something important. Sometimes you have unhappy people, sometimes they are even hard, or there can be some insults. So it's up to you to decide whether you want to remove them, let them, and so on. You can also report spam. So I won't go any further on those things. This was to give you an overview now of that nice, because for me it looks nice. I'm really positive about this. The studio, the creator studio from YouTube for YouTubers. So this was it with what I wanted to present on this subject. I'm really glad to see if people appreciate this, if it's something interesting. If you have comments, give me directions, what you would like to see more, what it is that could interest you. So I need to find again my mouse, and I have it now. So I would like to thank the ones that took a bit of time to watch, to follow, to see what I was saying. And you can follow me on CU, of course, on vision6d.com, the website. On YouTube, it's YouTube user/vision6d. So you can register to the channel. Don't forget to do this, to thumb up if you like it. You can even thumb down and comment. And of course on Facebook, it's Facebook and then Vision6D. You find the page. You can like the page. You can subscribe to the page. That's where you get the news, what I'm doing or what I'm proposing as tutorials. So with that, I'm just left with thanking you. I'm saying that for me, it's new to do those live sessions. So I hope you enjoy it. I enjoyed it. And I wish you a good time. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.